Ano ba talaga nangyari doon sa police personnel na nagtrabaho, minalas pa?
I was just following orders.
I did not receive any order, Mr. Chair.
Why did you sign it? OIC ka.
Yes,
Bakit
Mr.
hindi ka ba dapat nagtanong? Pwede kang pakainan ng pipirman mo, death sentence mo.
We found out na may mga police personnel ang CIDG na nag-operate, positive ang resulta, nagsampa sila ng kaso, so mahina na ang kaso ngayon dahil pinagsisibak, pinagtatapon yung mga operatiba kung saan-saang lugar, kung saan-saang reassignment. Ano ba talaga nangyari doon sa police personnel na nagtrabaho, minalas pa? Mr. Chair, ang tanong lang po natin to General Karamat, ano po ba ang naging ground at na-terminate sa position itong si Colonel Buyakaw? May grounds po ba tayo dito, Mr. Chair?
Sir, that was a memorandum coming from DPRM addressed to the Director CIDG. Ako po yung director din, to relieve Colonel Buyakaw of his post. In short, I was not the one who caused the relief of Colonel Buyakaw as insinuated by anybody that nirelieve ko siya dahil doon sa pag-operate niya doon sa Pugo in Banban. I was just following orders coming from national headquarters. So I implemented that memorandum coming from DPRM to relieve Colonel Buyakaw. Yung mga sinasabing na wipe out, yung mga personnel niya nakasama doon sa operation sa Bamban, some of those personnel, when Colonel Buyakaw was relieved of his post, some of his officers and men personally requested to be transferred. Alam naman natin na kapag bago ang boss, iba na gusto nila sumunod doon sa boss or they ask for the transfer. So in short, and simple language, hindi po ako nagpa-relieve kay Colonel Buyakaw and others.
General Bakay, sir. Nabasa ko po, ikaw yung signatory doon sa instruction, sa directive to relieve Colonel Buyakaw from his post as Regional Chief and CRCIDG. Ano po ba yon? May nag-utos po ba sa inyo or merong board resolution?
The orders for given to classmate General Karamat, sir, came from the higher ups. It's a command guidance and in short and simple language, Mr. Chair, was just following orders to implement the, to give orders for the relief of Colonel Buyakaw, Mr. Chair.
Yung po bang instruction na yun, General Bakay, sir, is it verbal or written?
The preparation of the memorandum, Mr. Chair, is coming from our publication, which is just a section of the PRM. And I'm not at liberty or free to determine and say kung paano po binigay yung orders, Mr. Chair. But regardless, pag dumating po sa DPRM, it's coming from the higher ups, Mr. Chair. From the
Dalawa lang naman po yung instruction eh. Either written or verbal. Is it verbal or written, General Bakay, sir?
I cannot say, Mr. Chair, because the memorandum came in my table for it to be signed already in that form.
Hindi ka basta peperma eh. Are you telling us na pagdating sa table mo, perma ka lang? No. Tama po ba?
It is assumed, Mr. Chair, when these types of orders are given to DPRM, it has
Mr.
passed
Chair.
through the command group, Mr.
Okay,
The
Congressman,
resource person is not answering the question
Yes.
of the Honorable Busita appropriately.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
we will be reminding the resource speaker to answer directly the question. Kasi ang tanong naman po ay Napaka-simple lang. And even our members who are here can answer it directly. So, be truthful, General Bakay, please. Please reply. I still cannot comprehend that after a successful operation of those personnel, and after a week, marerelieve sila. And I still lingering in my mind why. And now, it's becoming clear and clearer. Congressman, Chairman Acop, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ang tinatanong ko lang, mag-classmate po kayo. Sinagot mo, oo. O pwede kayong mag-classmate, mag-usap. Pwedeng mag-request si General Karamat sa iyo, pakitransfer mo nga itong si Colonel Buyakaw or whoever he is. Di po ba? Pwede yun?
Pwede po, Mr. Chair.
Pwede. Pero pag tinanong ko yun, kung nangyari, sabi mo, hindi nangyari. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Now, you are the OIC of DPRM. And as such, you're not the permanent director of that directorial staff. And therefore, you must be more meticulous dahil ikaw ay OIC lamang. Would that be correct?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Pero in this instance, hindi ka naging meticulous. Alam natin na sa PNP, orders are given by higher authorities. Correct si Honorable Busita. Verbally and with a document. In this case, sabi mo, may dokumento. Ano sagot mo kay Honorable Busita? Was the order given verbally or documented?
Yes, Mr. Chair. When I was the OIC...
Ano nga? Dalawa lang pagpipilian mo eh. Paiwas ka kagad eh. Do not be a lawyer here. Alam kong abogado ka eh. Pero ang tanong ko lang sa iyo, ano, verbal o written yung order na binigay sa iyo for you to issue orders to transfer Colonel Buyakaw?
The order did not came from... I did not receive any order, Mr. Chair.
Why did you sign it? OIC ka.
Yes,
Bakit?
Mr.
Hindi ka ba dapat nagtanong? Pwede kang pakainan ng pipirman mo, death sentence mo?
Well, yes, Mr. Chair, I am.
Turo sa kanyan, di ba? Sa law school?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Before you sign or implement anything, mag-imbestiga ka muna kung totoo. And you failed to do that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes.